In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to colour text here in Canva. Now, this is actually really easy to do. Once you have your text on the canvas just like this, we want to simply click onto the text, come up to this A just here. Then if we click on there, we're going to have lots of different options. Now, if you have any designs here on the canvas, Canva is going to pull that here and put photo colours, where you can actually click on one of them and choose the colour that you want to use. We can also use preset solid colours down here as well. And again, if you want to use one of these, you can simply click onto one just like that. Now, if you actually have the hex code colour of an individual colour that you want to use, you can simply click onto this little plus icon just like that. Then all that you have to do is simply put that hex code colour just here, and it's going to turn to that colour. Now we can also use this colour palette, so we can click onto this little circle and adjust the colour just like so, or we can come underneath to this colour palette and choose the colour that we want that way as well. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to colour text here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.